Meet your new Crystal UHD TV. Your new and exciting life is about to start. It all begins with a quick and easy setup. We'll show you the installation process step by step. Let the unboxing fun begin. A quick tip before you start unboxing: it helps if you use a rug or a mat to protect the floor with. It'll also help keep the TV safe from scratches as you set it up. Open the top of the box and check the accessories. Remove the quick start guide and look for accessories like user manual, remote controls, or anything else that can be removed. Now, lift a large part of the packaging upwards to remove it. You'll need 2 people to do this. To keep intact the bottom part of the packaging, stand the TV upright on a flat and even area of the floor. Remove the packaging starting from the center of the bottom part. Then, dismantle, open the sides one by one, spreading them out onto the floor. Moving on, unfold the bottom part of the packaging completely. Tilt the screen carefully to insert the stand on one side and push it up. Be careful not to press or pinch the screen. Do the same on the other side. Using the stand buckle, you can adjust the stand height, as well as the distance between the 2 stand feet. Connect the power cable into the back of the TV. Place and fix the power cable onto the stand using the provided clip. Lift the TV carefully and set it down where you want. Connect the cables you need to the back of the TV. Place the cable along the grooves for a neat finish. Remove the EP pad and you're all set. For those who want the new TV to hang beautifully on your wall, we will show you how to mount your TV on the wall. Attach the sheet onto the designated mount positions on the TV. Place the square holder to the mount, then screw it on carefully. Adjust the wall mount so the screw is centered. Do the same to the other side. Attach the sponges onto the 4 corners of the TV. Attach the holder support. Connect the power cable to the back of the TV. Now, let's move on to set up the wall mount brackets. First, decide where you want to position the TV. Carefully adjust the brackets so they are level. Once you've made sure they're straight, mark the location of the holes. Drill your pilot holes into the wall. A quick tip before you start: drilling can cause a lot of dust to fly around all over the place. Try using a vacuum cleaner to make the whole process tidier. First, take the head of the vacuum cleaner off. Then, turn the vacuum cleaner on. Now, take the hose of the vacuum cleaner to the wall. As you start drilling, the dust and debris will then be sucked into the vacuum cleaner. What if you don't have a vacuum cleaner? No worries. You can also take any Post-its you might have lying around your home, fold it in half, and stick it beneath the area you'll be drilling into. The Post-it will collect the dust and debris from the drilling. Tap the anchors in with a hammer or a mallet. Place the brackets in position. Insert the screws and slowly screw them in. Now, pull out the hanger. Lift up from each side. Make sure to grip the edges of the screen when you lift the TV, then hang it on the bracket holder. Now it's time to connect various devices to the TV. First, spread out the holder support. Connect the cables to the back of the TV. Gently nudge the TV back to place it closer to the wall. Remove the EP pad and protective film. We're not done just quite yet. For those of you who are eco-conscious and don't want all the packaging to go to waste, here are some outside-the-box ideas to upcycle your eco-package box. All Samsung TVs are packaged using eco-friendly corrugated cardboard, which you can creatively recycle or reuse. Scan the QR code on the box to see the instruction manual for building different household items you can make. For more information on the Eco Package, visit samsung-ecopackage.com. Now you're all set. Enjoy your new Samsung TV.